Decoding the Forex Crystal Ball. What to expect in August 2024. The Forex market is a beast. It never sleeps. Trillions of dollars change hands every day. That's why you need to be prepared. You need to know what's coming. That's where forecasts come in. They help you make sense of the chaos. Think of it like this. A Forex forecast is your roadmap to riches. It helps you navigate the twists and turns. It alerts you to potential roadblocks and detours. And it highlights the smoothest paths to profit. But remember, no forecast is perfect. The market is full of surprises. Always be ready to adjust your strategy. Stay nimble, stay informed, and you'll be well on your way to Forex success. Now, let's dive into what August 2024 has in store for us. We've got rate cuts, central bank decisions, and enough economic data to make your head spin. The U.S. Federal Reserve has been raising rates like crazy. Inflation was out of control, but now things are cooling down. The Fed is starting to think about cutting rates, maybe even as early as August. Across the pond, the Bank of England is facing a similar dilemma. Inflation in the UK is still stubbornly high, but the economy is slowing down. A rate cut could help stimulate growth. What does this mean for the Forex market? Lower interest rates usually weaken a currency. So we could see the US dollar and the British pound take a hit. But don't hit the panic button just yet. There are other factors at play. We need to look at what's happening in other major economies. Japan has been a different story altogether. They've kept interest rates super low for years, and they're not showing any signs of changing course. The Bank of Japan is laser-focused on supporting the Japanese economy. They want to see strong growth and stable prices, and they're willing to do whatever it takes to get there. This difference in monetary policy is crucial. It creates a divergence between Japan and other major economies, and that divergence can have a big impact on currency exchange rates. Let's see how this all plays out in the currency markets. Section 4. Currency Wars. USD JPY, GBP USD, and the fight for dominance. The USD JPY pair is like a heavyweight boxing match. The US dollar and the Japanese yen are constantly battling it out. And with the Bank of Japan holding firm, the yen could gain the upper hand in August. Meanwhile, the GBP USD pair is facing its own challenges. The uncertainty surrounding the UK economy is weighing on the pound. If the US Federal Reserve cuts rates, the dollar could weaken further, giving the pound some breathing room. But remember, these are just two of the many currency pairs in the Forex market. There are countless other opportunities out there. The key is to stay informed and adapt your strategy based on the latest developments. Section 5. Expert Opinions and Economic Indicators. Reading the tea leaves. Don't just take my word for it. Plenty of experts are weighing in on the Forex market forecast for August 2024. Some are bullish on the US dollar, while others see weakness ahead. It's important to consider all sides of the story. We also need to pay close attention to economic indicators. These are the vital signs of the global economy. Things like inflation, GDP growth, and employment data can give us clues about where currencies are headed. By staying on top of expert opinions and economic data, you can make more informed trading decisions. Knowledge is power in the Forex market. Section 6. August 2024. Forecast. Buckle up for a wild ride. August 2024 is shaping up to be a volatile month for the Forex market. We've got central banks making big decisions, economic data rolling in, and geopolitical risks looming on the horizon. My advice? Stay informed, manage your risk, and don't be afraid to take profits when you see them. The Forex market is a marathon, not a sprint. And hey, while you're at it, why not like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more market-moving insights? Join the Mad Money family and let's crush it together. Don't forget to check out the awesome perks of becoming a channel member. You won't regret it.